Hi. I tend to see many patients who have shoulder issues have emotional component. So to begin with, at our clinic, definitely we go for neurokinetic therapy where we balance the muscles, we give exercises, we give cupping, dry needling. So all those manual techniques, manual physiotherapy, manually releasing that physical component, we go through that properly. But then sometimes what happens is the pain again comes back. So जब physically everything is balanced, why it is coming? So one muscle which is I'll just show you the shoulder blade is there, and between the ribs and the shoulder blade it's a subscapularis muscle. So that goes into a hold position. It goes into a hold position. That means it is very tight. And the coordinates, if we see with the emotional component with applied AP for this, is usually the heart to liver. Now what happens is the attitude which comes with this type of pain is one flower which is a desert flower. So this is that flower. This is prickly pear cactus. So I'll just go through the attitude which comes along with that, and definitely you will correlate it. Like I always correlate the things with me also. Previously I was like this. I was not adapting myself to the new conditions. Even if I get myself adapted internally, there used to be a lot of chaos going on. So I'll just go through the pattern of imbalances of this flower, and this flower comes in patients with shoulder issues. Okay, generally, not always, but generally. So the pattern of imbalances, I'll just read. This is an excellent book. Our sir has given this is from Australia. So about the prickly pear cactus, the pattern of imbalances in our behavior is we are very rigid and tightly held in check, pushing to make things happen, wanting to control the timing of events and situations. So I used to be like that. Like I wanted to control everything. Toying with giving up something you know is right for you, giving it to something you really know is not right for you. Okay, so these are the pattern of imbalances. And the harmonizing quality, once we take the essence, this flower essence, the harmonizing qualities which will come to us and which will make this muscle go into a normal harmonized position is, after taking the flower essence, is the inner calmness, and we surrender to what it is, accessing the great strength that comes from surrendering to the flow of life and life's events, adaptability, remaining committed to what you know is right. Keyword is adaptability. And like I'll tell you from my experience, whenever new conditions, new situations, I used to show from outside that I'm so adaptable to all those things, but internally बहुत ज़्यादा like chaos. Some qualities of this flower and the essence I'll be telling you. I'll just read through that from the book. The keyword for prickly pear cactus flower essence is adaptability. Often in life we become rigid, attempting to control the timings of events. Sometimes we find ourselves pushing and struggling to make things happen. It's as if we are attempting to paddle upstream in life. This flower essence helps us find a state of active surrender to what it is. It supports our awareness in bringing synchronous with the events in our life. When we are in harmony, our actions doesn't come before our feelings, and our thoughts alone do not direct our actions. So basically the strength, calm and centeredness that is fostered within us is by prickly pear cactus essence. So those who are struggling to get themselves adapt to the situations, they might be having a hold in this subscapularis muscle, and if this muscle is tight, there are chances that you might have shoulder issues, shoulder pain, neck pain. And even if after physical releases, physical therapy, it's not coming down, so definitely you need to see the emotional component. Thank you.